Hello dear souls. This time I'm talking inside nature, which is magical, which is great. And the topic for this time is being in nature, being in our home, being where we belong. Because we come from nature, all our elements are parts of nature, and will go eventually in nature, to end up there. So we need nature, even for a while. To be with open heart in nature is having cure for everything, psychologically, mentally, diseases. The healing comes to us without asking. We just let go. We just, our mind, let go. So, the medicine is go in nature. Surrender yourself in nature. Open your heart to receive. Open your heart to receive love, life, healing. Embrace nature. It's easy to decide, but okay, I know it's not easy every time. Sometimes it's very difficult because we live in a city, but make it a target for you. Make it a point for yourself to go to nature, to surrender, to clean up, to be healed. All these things happen on their own. Just surrender yourself to nature, which is a divine magic of healing and embracing. This is a great step to living. Thank you. If you like this video, press like and click to subscribe to see my next videos. Thank you.